Okay, you have to do the average for each item for this indicator, and you just have to drag all the way to this column because we want to get the overall average or mean for all respondents, respondent 1 to 30, for the indicator binary. So for this one, I'm going to highlight the overall total in yellow. So it's 4.34 yung average or mean under binary. So I have this sample right here. Natapos na. So as you can see, I tabulated everything right here, and each of the indicators has mean for each respondent and mean for each of their items. Nasa baba. This one, these are the overall indicator, overall average or mean for each indicator. Okay? So for this one, after matapos nyo na i-tabulate sa Excel yung indicators ng dalawang variable nyo, all you have to do is find the overall um, mean for variable A and B, which is work engagement and job satisfaction for this sample study. So you just have to put in the overall mean for each indicator. Dito ko yan kinuha. So you have to put in, itabi-tabi nyo na sila, adjacent to each other. And there you have it. So I want to get the overall mean for each respondents, again, for each respondents under work engagement. So the same process. So pakita ko muna sa inyo. So delete ko muna ito. Just type in average, open parenthesis, highlight, ito na range. Kasi ito yung range ng work engagement, and close parenthesis, and drag. There you have it. Same procedure, equals average, open parenthesis, drag, range, and you have to drag the cell. Okay. So overall mean for work engagement, um, see, para makuha natin overall mean for work engagement, it's just the same process, and right, 4.32, and drag all the way to the right. It's 4.34 under job satisfaction. Okay. Now, if you're going to conduct a paired t-test, kasi may dalawang t-test na gagawin. First paired and second is unpaired. For this sample, we have paired t-test. It means we have the same set of group or set of employees, but different aspect being measured. Now, for this one, the aspect the different being aspect being measured is the work engagement and the job satisfaction mean. So, dalawang continuous variable yung minimeasure natin sa kanila. So, pair t-test in Excel is quite easy. You don't have to pay for anything. If you have a cracked Excel file or Excel 2013, by the way, this only works for Excel 2013 and 2016. Doesn't work with 2007 and 2003. No. So anyway, most of the PC nowadays meron nito. So first thing you have to know is to open the tool in Excel. Now to open that one, kasi hindi naman lagi nakaredy yung tool. Ito na tool, it's under data. It's called data analysis. Now to open that one, all you have to do is click on file, click account, option, sorry. It's under add-ins. So it's gonna load. So as you can see, manage Excel add-ins, go. So you have to check the analysis toolbar. Click OK, and there you can see you have the data analysis path. So to conduct the test for this sample, I have here the results. So if I'm gonna show you how did they come up sa ganyan na results. Click data analysis. So at the bottom, click it's under t-test paired to sample for means. This is the paired t-test. So for this one, we have variable 1 and variable 2 range. It means ito yun si variable A, ito yung mean for variable B. Range, it means ito yung range, ito yung column for all the respondents' mean. So you have to click this one. Na ganyan na, you have to highlight ito na section because this is the section for each or overall mean for each respondents under work engagement variable. So after you highlight the range, this arrow again. So magkatabi lang naman sila. That's it. Set. So you don't have to input anything sa hypothesized mean difference. No, don't click the label kasi wala naman. Alpha level is always 0.05. Okay? So output range, it means saan nyo ipipaste yung output or outcome. So kung dito ko gusto i-paste, so dito ko gusto ipipaste ko yung outcome or results nitong test na to. So, click dito and hit OK. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. Okay, here's the results. So as you can see, medyo nagbago konti. Anyway, so as you can see, makikita nyo na yung dalawang, meron tayong t-test at meron tayong correlation. For correlation, as you can see, it's 0.99, so it's almost perfect correlated or positively correlated. If the job satisfaction is high, also with the work engagement and vice versa. So as you can see, we have the degrees of freedom because we use a paired t-test. That's 30 minus 1 is 21 or 29, sorry. So the computed t-value or the t-statistics for this one is negative 2.68. So it means that it doesn't really matter if positive or negative computed statistics because that only tells the direction. Kung i-graph ito. For this one, computed t-value is 2.68 and the critical or t-critical is 1.69. So higher siya means significant yung data. Also, you have to see the one-tail p-value. This is the one-tail p-value, which is 0.005. Now remember, the alpha level is 0.05. It means that if the p-value or this value falls below the alpha level, it also means that your uh, data is statistically sound or statistically significant. It means you have strong evidence.